Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. Today I'm going to do a reading for those who are in separation and no contact. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video, guys, then it will reach more people. And thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone needs a personal reading, I'm giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. So we will see what is the blockage in your relationship. Ace of Wands, the Emperor, and Eight of Pentacles under the deck, King of Wands. So the main blockage in this relationship is no seriousness. Yes. Passion is there. You both started this relationship, but there is no stability. One person is serious, but one person is not. And controlling issue also, because the Emperor, one person is really very, very stubborn. So controlling issues also involved here. So the main reason for the separation is no seriousness and controlling issues. So let's see your person current feelings and their true intentions. Sagittarius. Five of Swords under the deck. Seven of Pentacles, the Lovers, and Three of Pentacles. Five of Cups, Six of Cups, and Judgment. So Seven of Pentacles means waiting game. Definitely your person is very, very attracted to you because the Lovers card is here. Some of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini. And some of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Water sign, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth sign. Definitely your person is missing you a lot. And they want a new beginning here. They're thinking about reconciliation and judgment. They already made the decision. They want you back and they have regrets what they did to you. Five of Swords energy. Your person is thinking about the past and they have strong emotions towards you. And some of you are in long distance here, living in different cities, states, or countries. But they have deep regrets right now. They want to reconcile with you, and your person is suffering in silence here. Definitely, they do miss you a lot. They do miss you a lot. So let's see your current feelings. Sagittarius, you are in so much confusion right now. You are expecting communication or you're waiting for communication here. But right now, you're focusing on yourself. You want to depend only on yourself for your happiness. Some of you started your spiritual journey. If not, you are going to, because the Hierophant is all about spiritual journey, learning new things. And some of you are dealing with Taurus earth sign, and some of you are dealing with Leo fire sign. But I'm seeing you are getting some type of clarity. At the same time, yes, you have options also. You have other options. So let's see, will they take any action or not? Two of Swords, the Chariot, and the Star under the deck, Six of Wands. Some of you are dealing with Cancer, water sign, Aquarius, air sign. So your person wants success in this relationship. Definitely they will take action. But your person is at some crossroads. So I'm not saying immediate action because they're in very, very slow moving energy, but they're wishing for this connection. They really want to take action here. So do you want to take action from your end? The Magician, and Knight of Swords, and Ten of Wands. So you're feeling emotionally overburdened. You really wanna talk with your person, but right now you're feeling overburdened here. You are doing manifesting techniques to manifest your person back. You are doing energetical work, but right now you are not taking any physical action here. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. Ace of Cups, the Temperance, and the Hanged Man. Some of you are dealing with Sagittarius fire sign. I'm seeing some stuck energy in this relationship. Patience is the key. Yes, there is love, but uh, you both need to make a decision here. So right now you both are not making any decision. So that's why this connection is stuck. So let's clarify the outcome. Eight of Cups. One person is trying to detach emotionally from this connection, but one person is trying to reconcile with the other person. And Two of Cups. Two of Cups is a soulmate card. So you both are feeling this connection, even though you both are in separation. You both are feeling special bond here. So one person is detaching, but one person is attaching. What I'm getting here, the runner become the chaser. What I'm getting here. So let's see what is the advice for you regarding this relationship or situation. King, Queen of Swords and the World. So Sagittarius, you are taking your power back. You're setting and maintaining boundaries here. And Queen of Wands means lot of passion. So you have two options right now. Uh, One is you have to be very, very clear and accept this offer if you want. Otherwise, you need to set and maintain boundaries and you need to work on yourself. You need to invest energy on yourself. Then eventually you will get clarity. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If anyone needs a personal reading, I'm giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. Thank you. Thank you so much.